Okay. Are you gonna be Marsu?
I guess so.
Or
Be Luigi. Or stop.
what? Okay.
Go.
Oh, but
Another stage of round, and how come we kept them?
I don't know. The blast door!
I don't like you!
Here's
No, stop!
Meow, meow, meow. Ah! Snorlax! Oh! Okay, the Samus won't leave me alone.
Yeah, she kind of just beats on me for a little bit. Can't touch me.
Ow.
Da-na-na-na. Oh, I killed it.
Oh my god.
Hi.
You let me live. Oh.
Hey guys. I keep
Oh.
kicking the
Whoa. Okay. Yeah.
Don't make any sudden movements.
Why is he after me? I don't get it. I mean, she.
Closer.
Move closer. Whoa! She like exploded on herself. Oh, and then it fell.
Fall.
You need to stop falling, Mars.
You stop falling.
Oh my god. I am safe here.
Well. Moving.
Well.
She kills us all.
I know. Are we good?
Yes. For now.
Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's the little eye thingies that are unknown.
I'll stay over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay.
Oh!
You, go away. Go away. Go away.
Watch my ow.
Go away. Oh, what the Toki free. Bah, bah, bah. What the hell's wrong with Samus? Make her go away.
Ah! Wait. Come to me.
Ah! Whoa.
Fine.
That was really close.
Ah!
Oh.
Wrong way. He's right there. I'm scared.
Ah! Where am I? I'm being hit to oblivion. That's where I'm going.
Oh! Punched it.
Dude, make her go away!
No. She likes you.
Ow. Oh, wait. Maybe it's because I have 4 lives.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna kill you now, Samus.
Mine. Oh!
Sorry.
No, not really.
Oh, fell awesome. You. Whoa, where am I?
Oh. Hit the crap out of her.
Oh, bejesus.
Badoof. Not a badoof.
Again, died. Then I was not gonna let it happen.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh! Oh!
That's a star too. I mean, idiot.
Well, sure, let her get it.
She's dead. It's us now.
Yes, it is.
Well. Oh! Yay! Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Oh! I didn't know you could do that. Or that could do.
Clearly. Oh, jeez.
I died. Yay!
Yay! I didn't go to the bathroom.